A collection of over 30 gold and silver English and Scottish coins from throughout the 1400s were discovered near the Scotland border by hobbyist metal detectorists. Amateur metal detectorists in Scotland have discovered a 600-year-old treasure trove of gold and silver coins they're calling the find of a lifetime. Initially, the detectorists unearthed a total of 30 coins from both Scotland and England that were minted throughout the 15th century. This rare find was discovered by Young and Lisa Stephenson, who had been exploring near the village of Cappercleuch in the Scottish Borders region. The hoard is the find of a lifetime, Stephenson said in a statement from Scotland's Crown Office and Procurator Fiscal Service. Some of the coins were English silver groats, minted by both Henry V, ruled from 1413 to 1422, and Edward IV, ruled from roughly 1461 to 1483, while others were Scottish gold demy and half-demys, minted by James I of Scotland, reigned from 1406 to 1437, and James II, ruled from 1437 to 1460. The coins were marked with the likeness of each monarch at the time of their minting. The groat was a large silver coin first introduced in England by Edward I in 1279 and was valued at 4 pence. The Scottish gold demy was named after the French word demier, meaning half, since it was roughly half the value of a gold English coin, and was typically valued at 9 shillings in Scottish money. The gold half-demy was a smaller version of the demy, valued at about 5 shillings. The pair reported their find to the Scottish Treasure Trove Unit, which is responsible for investigating any archaeological discoveries that are unearthed around the country. An initial investigation by archaeologists at the unit revealed that the coins may have been left at this site in the early to mid-1460s. The archaeologists then discovered 5 additional coins lurking nearby, bringing the hoard's total to 35 coins. Coin hoards containing a mix of both English and Scottish coins are not unusual, but we do not see many hoards from this period in Scotland, so it's a fascinating find, Anthony Lee, who runs the Treasure Trove Unit, said in the statement. Keith and Lisa acted promptly and correctly in reporting it to us, Lee said. In turn we, along with archaeologists from National Museum Scotland, were able to attend and excavate the site, finding 5 more coins and documenting the circumstances of the hoard alongside the finders. After the Treasure Trove Unit has finished its analysis, the coins will be passed to the Scottish Archaeological Finds Allocation Panel, SAFAP, an independent panel that will make them available for museums to display. The SAFAP will also assign a monetary value to the coins, which will then be paid to the finders as a reward for their discovery. Any museum hoping to display the coins will be expected to raise the funds for this ex gratia reward themselves.